So hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Arsalan and today we are on day 59 of solving the object-oriented programming system questions with the help of Python. So if you are very new to this playlist, let me give you a very brief introduction of what this playlist is all about. In this playlist, we have been solving questions based on object-oriented programming. As you can see on the screen, on day 1 we have solved a very basic question, and then on day 2 we solved a bit trickier question, and then from day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, so on and so forth, we have been increasing the bar of questions like anything. And then on day 59 there's a concept of polymorphism in object-oriented programming. On the basis of polymorphism we are doing the question. So this question is based on polymorphism, and I have also introduced this concept, means I have discussed this concept in depth in on day 51. If you are very new to this polymorphism concept, you can watch my tutorial from on day 51. If you want to learn about polymorphism, then you can learn it from day 51, where I have started solving questions from day 51, and then from day 51 I have been solving question, and on day 59 I am solving till date. Now the question says create a class called animal. So just before starting with this question, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So what we will be doing here is we will be first of all creating a parent class here, parent class, or you can see a base class, parent class, that is our class. The name of the class is animal, and with a method called speak. So we have a method called speak, and this method will be passed. So we will be just simply passing it because we will be overriding in the subsequent classes. So this method we will be overriding. Alright, so after doing this, we will be simply create subclasses called dog, cat, and bird. So create child class dog, then cat, and then bird. Cat, and after cat we'll be creating bird. So as you can see, I do the question step by step, so you do not have to worry about if the question is very lengthy. You just have to follow the steps by steps thing, and then after doing that you can just easily solve this question. And if you are watching my tutorials from day 51, then I assure you that you have been already figure out the question, that how you will be doing it. And let's continue this question. So class dog, and inside those parentheses we will be giving the name of the parent class, that is animal, and then we will be having a method called speak again, and then I will be just not putting this method, I will be not returning super function, because if I return the super function I will be getting a pass value. So what I will be doing here is I will be removing this, and I will be just very specific to the dog class speak, that will be returning me woof, and sound of a dog, and after this I will be again creating creating a class called cat, and then I will be closing it by parentheses because it's a child class, and inside those parentheses we will be giving the name of the parent class, that is animal, and then again I will be creating the same method def, and again I will be removing this return super function because I do not require it, because if I will be not removing it I will be getting the pass value which is inherited from the speak method of the animal class. So I want to return this method specific to the cat class. So cat speak mew, so the sound of the cat is mew. Similarly, I will be creating a class bird, and in this bird method I will be just doing the same thing as I did for cat and dog, and I will be just putting the method of that too and just removing this method too. So as you can see, we are doing the same thing again and again, and we will be just putting the sound of the bird as chirp. And after doing this, we have three classes, as you can see on the screen. We have three subclasses and four classes. So four classes includes animal, dog, cat, and bird. So we have one parent class and three child classes. Now, as you can see, polymorphism. Where does the concept of polymorphism come? Where we have same name of the method. So there is a speak in the animal, there is a speak in the dog, and speak in the cat as well as bird. So all of the four classes have the same name of the method. That's why the polymorphism concept come, that if there is the same name of the uh, method, it will be overridden, so we are overriding it to so let's get back to our question. Demonstrate polymorphism by creating a dictionary with animal names as the keys and instances of different animals classes as values. So it's simple, guys. What we will be doing here is we will be creating a dictionary. So to create a dictionary is a set of key and value pairs. So dictionary, if you do not know, you can study it from tutorials that what is dictionary, and I can give you a very brief idea of what is dictionary. So dictionary is a set of key and value pairs. So it has key and it has value. So it is a set of key and value pairs. So what we will be doing here is we will be creating a dictionary of what is the name, creating dictionary with animal names. So they haven't put the name of the dictionary, so we can just put dictionary, or we can put animal dict is equals to key value pair. So first of all, the name will be coming, so we have to first of all create instances. What we have to create? We have to create instances. So I will be creating instances just after this bird class. I will be creating instances. So instances of the child classes. So I will be creating first of all for dog is equals to dog, cat is equals to cat. And why we are putting parenthesis? Because it's an object. Why we are putting parenthesis after the name of the child class? This is the name of the child class, and we are putting parenthesis because we are putting a parenthesis because it's an instance, it's an object here. All right. So bird is equals to bird. And after doing this, we have dog, cat, bird. We have three instances, and what here it will be coming, we have to give the name of the animal and value as the instance. So this is dog instance, this is cat instance, this is bird instance. So we can just put it like instance here as like this, instance here. And what we will be doing here is we will be having three names. So first is dog, so this is key, and the value it is associated with is dog instance. So dog instance. Now I will be putting comma here. Now I will be saying cat. We have cat as the name, and the instance it is associated with is cat instance. And then after this we have bird. So the name it is associated with is, the instance it is associated with is bird instance. Now if I say print uh, print what? Print animal dict. If I want to get this object, how will I get the object? Through the dict. How do we get the object? Through dict. To get the object through dict, we just can simply put it like this. put it like this. If I want to get the dog instance and I print it, you will be seeing that I am getting the object here. Alright, I am getting the object here. So now I can also apply methods related to it. If I say that animal dog dot uh, dot speak is the method, or what was the name? Yeah, speak was the method of the name, and if I run it again, you will be seeing that I am getting a woof. So what I am getting here is an object. As you can see on the screen, if I remove this, I first of all I put the animal dict here, and then uh, if I want to get the value from the key, so this is the key, the dog with the single quotes is the key, and if I want to get the value through the key, I have to just put it like this, and then after doing this, if I print this value, I am getting an object here, as you can see. And if I want to run the method speak, I will be getting woof. Now similarly, if I want to get a cat, I can just do it like this, cat, and then again I will be getting a mew here, and after this I will be running it for bird, I will be getting chirp. As you can see, I'm getting chirp. But this is not the ideal way. If we have to just deal with polymorphism, we have to just apply loop here to, because there are only 3 instances here. What if there are 100 of instances, and they, or we can say 10 of instances which have the same name as speak. Let's say dog has also speak, cat has also speak, bird has also speak. We have 3 instances right now. What if we have cow also, we have horse also, we have lion also, we have tiger also. So let's say there we have 20 instances and all of them have same name, so we will be just creating a dict here, and each with key value pair, and we will be just running a loop, and then with the help of the loop we will be creating. So how we will be creating a loop? So to create loop for dictionary, what we do here is we create for key value. So key is dog, means the name, and value is the instance, so we can just replace it with name, and or we can say animal name, animal name, and animal instance. We can do it like this. For animal name, animal instance, instance in animal dict dot items. So if I put it like this, animal dict dot items, it will be giving me key value pairs in a loop. So it will be giving dog and dog instance, cat instance, bird instance. So I am saying that for animal name, animal instance in animal dict dot items, give me these 2 pairs, animal name and animal instance. So if I print, I can show it to you that if I print animal name, animal, oh, I have put it like, I have to correct this. I haven't put the correct spelling of the animal name, and if I print animal instance 2, and now if I run this, you can see first of all I will be getting dog, then the instance of the dog, then cat, then the instance of the cat, then bird, then the object or instance of the bird. And what I applied a logic here is I just created a loop. So previously we'll be writing 3 lines of codes. Now simply we are writing we are just writing 1 line of code. So what I will be doing here is I will be just typing it dynamically. What I will be using f string here. I will be using f string here to type it dynamically. I will be saying that the sound of the sound of animal name, the sound of animal name, this is the key. So the sound of the animal name would be cat, dog, bird. So, it will be happening it like this. First of all, it will be a dog, then will be cat, then it will be bird. The sound of animal name colon is what is uh, animal. Is animal instance. So animal instance, but if I run this animal instance, it will be giving me an object. It will be not giving me the sound associated with it. So if I run it, you will be seeing that I am getting an object here, but I want the method of the object. So to get the method, I can just simply put it like this: animal instance dot speak and close it by parenthesis. Now if I run this, it will be working smoothly and fine. As you can see, the sound of dog, woof, the sound of cat, mew, and the sound of bird, chirp. I just have to put off as well here because I have skipped putting off here. Now as you can see that we have solved this question, that it says iterate through the dictionary and call speak method on each object. So we did it already. So this was all in the question, guys. I hope that you have understood the question and liked this tutorial of solving the question based on polymorphism, and it was understandable. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you next time.